Whether you're looking for a spacious ensuite or a classy studio, Canalside is the perfect place for you. The property offers fully furnished rooms with private bathrooms and fitted modern kitchens that will make you feel at home in no time. Socialize with Canalside's community in the brand new common area, equipped with table tennis and pool tables for your leisure, or crash in the study rooms to consume brain juice and cram up your notes. Challenge your mates to hold a longer plank than you in the large resident-only free gym on the property, and enjoy a movie marathon over a healthy meal later in the contemporary TV area. With amazing high-speed Wi-Fi, great security, and no extra utility bills to worry about, Canalside is one of the easiest living experiences a student could ever have. Located next to the scenic Birmingham and Fazeley Canal, the property is an ideal location for students studying in University of Birmingham since it is only a 15-minute drive away. Canalside provides extremely convenient commute services in the form of a free shuttle bus, aiding you in reaching your university and going shopping with ease. Rooms start at £120 per week. Book your room at amberstudent.com today.